In a previous video, I already showed you how to do this arrow bracelet. This time, I'm gonna show you how to make the macrame knot so we can actually wear it. If this is something that you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay, so I have finished the bracelet and all that's left to do is add in the cord. As you can see, I have here my 24 arrows with different colors. So I'm gonna be adding the cord now with the macrame knot, similar to this bracelet right here. Same as this, I'm gonna be adding beige cord with only a simple knot here on each side and also these folding loops at the end and the macrame knot. This is a sliding knot that allows us to adjust the bracelet to our wrist and also take it out easily. So for that, I'm gonna be using Korean cord. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure approximately 50 inches for each side. So I'm gonna cut a couple of cords for each side. Here I have my 2 pieces of cord. So I'm gonna put them through the loops on the bracelet and make a knot. Okay, and sometimes it doesn't go through the loop, so we use a lighter so we can make it thinner and it goes through a loop. Tie the knot on the other side, and now we need to close this placement. We're gonna do it similar to the other one. So for that, we need an extra 10 inches or just enough to make the macrame knot. So we take this 2 sides, put them parallel next to the other. Okay. And then we are gonna make a macrame knot. It's basically making knots, attaching together both cords so we can then slide the ends and put our bracelet all into them. And I like to make roughly 7 knots. So now that we have this, we can trim the ends and burn them. Now, all that is left to do is measure our bracelet. For that, I'm gonna use this one, but you can use your wrist to measure how long do you want it to be. And remember, you also need to make sure that they measure the same place. So you can check them like this. It has to be the same length on both sides. Now we can add our golden beads on each side. So for that, we're going to use highlighters. So our cord can go through the beads. And you can also use a couple of pliers or your scissors to help patching the bead through the cord. Like that. And do the same on the other side. And then use the scissors to help us put the bead, to help us enter the bead on the cord and make a knot, cut the excess, turn the tip, always remember using the blue side of the flame, otherwise the cord gets black. You don't want that, so now. And our bracelet is ready. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. If you like this video, please subscribe. And also remember to click the notification button so you don't miss the next one. Also, leave a comment below letting me know if you like this bracelet, if you find it easy to make or hard to make, and what else would you like me to make on the next videos. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.